2026 is the year of smart earning, and today I'll show you exactly how people are making real money per click. No fluff, no scams, just a proven method. Real EPC case study. Here is a real example. One of my campaigns generated 62 cents per click. Yes, every single click, 62 cents. PTC sites. But first, let's clear what not to do. PTC sites? Clicking tiny ads for $0.003? Total waste of time. Low CPC blogging. Blog plus AdSense? Works, but CPC is too low. Maybe 12 cents if you're lucky. The real method. Affiliate 2.0. So what actually works in 2025? Affiliate marketing 2.0 powered by AI. Help people. Step 1. Focus on helping people. Give value, solve a problem. Trust comes first. Free platforms. Use free platforms. YouTube, Substack, Medium, LinkedIn. No website needed. AI content. Let AI help you create fast, helpful content in minutes, not hours. Pick a product. Choose a good affiliate product. ClickBank, Impact, CJ, Awin, Digistore. Pick something real, something useful. Promote what you use. Promote only what you personally use. Authenticity increases clicks and earnings. AI finds best products automatically. Make a short link. Create a clean branded short link for trust. No website needed. Now promote that link using only your phone. YouTube screen recording. Record simple screen tutorials. No face required. Substack plus Medium. Post helpful articles on Substack and Medium. People love solutions. And don't forget LinkedIn, a high-value professional audience. AI idea generator. Stuck for ideas? AI gives you unlimited topics instantly. Pattern technique. Use the pattern technique. Same tone, same helpful structure, easy to produce fast content. Week 1 to week 2 growth. In the first 7 to 14 days, clicks grow slowly. 3 clicks, then 10, then 40. Viral in 30 days. But one post, one idea, and boom, a viral spike with thousands of views. Demotivation. Yes, there will be days of low engagement. Everyone goes through it. Mindset shift. But remember, stop selling, start helping. That's the mindset that wins. 30-day action plan. Just follow a simple 30-day plan. Create daily, share daily, help daily. And final inspiration, and if you start today, your first clicks, your first earnings, they're closer than you think. Success starts with one step.